Hi guys, if you are looking for such option where you can keep your Google Docs page in the dark mode and toolbar and sidebar in the light mode, or toolbar or sidebar in the dark mode and your Google Docs page in the light mode, then let's see how to do it. So for that, open the Google Chrome browser and type Chrome Web Store. And then press enter and then open the Chrome Web Store. And now here type Google Docs dark mode. Press enter. Now here simply open this extension Google Docs dark mode with this rating and this icon. So let's open it. Here you might notice this Chrome extension has only 3.4 ratings, but it is used by 700,000 users. You can see because it is super easy to use and people love it. So to use it, simply click on this add to Chrome button and then click on add extension. And now this extension will be added to your Chrome browser. You can see. Now let's go to the Google Docs page. Once you are on your Google Docs page, simply refresh it. And now you can see the dark mode has been enabled on your Google Docs. But right now it is only enabled for the toolbar and sidebar. If you want to turn on dark mode on your Google Docs page as well, for that simply hover your cursor to this moon icon and now simply click on this page icon. And now your Google Docs page will be in the dark mode. Here you can see right now the toolbar and sidebar are in the gray mode and Google Docs page is in the dark mode. In case if you want to keep your Google Docs page in the dark mode but everything else in the light mode, for that hover over this moon icon and then simply click on this moon icon here. And now you can see the Google Docs toolbar and the sidebars are in the light mode and your Google Docs page is in the dark mode. You can see. And in case if you want to keep your Google Docs page in the light mode and everything else in the dark mode, for that simply hover over this icon and click on it and the gray mode will be enabled on toolbar and the sidebars. And to make the Google Docs page in the light mode, again hover over this icon and simply click on this page icon. And the Google Docs page will be in the light mode. If you want to make it dark, again go to this icon and simply click on the page and it will be on the dark mode. If you want to keep the both in the light mode, hover over this icon and then click on both. And both will be in the light mode. And if you want to make both darker, again hover over this icon, click on this icon and click on the page and both will be darker. So from here, you can select whatever you want. You can see. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily turn on dark mode on Google Docs. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.